In this video, I am going to show you how to add devices to Google Find My Device. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just make sure you have Find the app installed. As you can see, then go ahead, click on it. After you install it, as you can see right now, we are going to enter the app. After doing that, just make sure to accept these requirements and then log in with your Google account. And now you can see your device here has been added. Just enable localization to see where your device is, and you can do the same for the other mobile. Just log in with the same email you logged in, and you will find two devices here under the first one you have added. Easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.